The coarse aggregate specific gravity test is used to calculate the specific gravity of a coarse aggregate sample by determining the ratio of weight of a given volume of aggregate to weight of an equal volume of water. The coarse aggregate specific gravity test measures coarse aggregate weight under three different sample conditions: oven dry, saturated surface dry, submerged in water. Using these three weights and their relationships, a sample's apparent specific gravity, bulk specific gravity, bulk SST specific gravity, as well as water absorption can be calculated. Aggregate specific gravity is needed to determine weight to volume relationship and calculate various volume related quantities. Absorption can be used as an indicator of aggregate durability. The IS code used for this test is IS 2386 Part 3 1963. The apparatus used:
a wire basket of not more than 6.3 mm mesh, a container for filling water and suspending the basket, the airtight container of capacity similar to that of the basket. A shallow tray and two dry absorbent cloths. Thermostatically controlled oven capable of maintaining constant temperature between 100 and 110 degrees Celsius. Balance of capacity 3 kg with accuracy up to 0.5 grams. Now let us go to the procedure of the experiment. First of all, take the coarse aggregate sample, sieve it through the 6.3 mm sieve. Take the aggregate which does not pass through 6.3 mm sieve. Approximately take 2 kg of the aggregate for the test. Wash the aggregate thoroughly to remove any fines present in the aggregate. Now transfer the aggregate into the wire basket. Now immerse the wire basket into the distilled water. Immediately after the immersion, the entrapped air is removed from the sample by lifting the basket containing it 25 mm above the base of the tank and allowing it to drop 25 times at a rate of about 1 drop per second. After 25 joules, place the basket such that a cover of at least 50 mm of water above the top of the basket is maintained. The basket and the aggregate should remain completely immersed in water for a period of 24 hours afterwards. After 24 hours of immersion, the weight is noted down while suspended in the water. Note down the value in the observation sheet. The basket and the aggregate are then removed from the water and allowed to drain for a few minutes. After draining for a few minutes, the aggregates are transferred to one of the dry absorbent cloths. Now place the aggregate on the dry absorbent cloth. The aggregates placed in dry absorbent cloths are surface dried till no further moisture could be removed from this cloth. Spread the aggregates in a single layer and allow it to dry for at least 10 minutes until the aggregates are completely surface dry. Meanwhile, we will take the weight of the empty basket. The empty basket is returned to the tank of water, jolted 25 times and weighed in the water. Note down the value in the observation sheet. Let's go back to the aggregates. After 10 minutes, check whether the aggregates are completely surface dried. Then transfer them into a tray . And this is weighed. Note down the reading in the observation sheet. The aggregate is then placed in a shallow tray and kept in an oven maintained at a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the tray is removed from the oven, cooled in an airtight container. After cooling for some time, the oven-dried aggregates are weighed and the reading is noted down in the observation sheet. Now, let's go for the calculation part. Now, do the calculation for specific gravity, apparent specific gravity, and water absorption using the formulae in the observation sheet. Repeat the procedure for another trial. Calculate the mean values and note it down as the result in the observation sheet. Specific gravity use.
Aggregate specific gravity value can be used in number of applications, including super-PEM mix design, deleterious particle identification and suppression, material property and change agent. The specific gravity values of an aggregate used in road construction generally varies from 2.5 to 3.2 with an average value of 2.7. However, higher specific gravity values is considered to be of high strength, but it is not possible to judge the suitability of sample of road aggregates without finding its mechanical properties like aggregate impact value, crushing value, and abrasion value.
Water absorption use.
Aggregate absorption is the increase in mass due to water present in the pores of the material. Aggregate absorption is a useful quality because high value can indicate non-durable aggregate. Absorption can indicate the amount of asphalt binder the aggregate will absorb. Water absorption of an aggregate is accepted as measure of its porosity. Water absorption value generally ranges from 0.1 to about 2% for coarse aggregate. Indian Road Congress, which is also known as IRC, and Ministry of Road Transport and Highway have specified the maximum water absorption value as 1% for aggregate used in bituminous surface dressing. As per Ministry of Road Transportation and Highway specifications, the maximum permissible water absorption value is 2% for coarse aggregate to be used in bituminous macadam base course, dense bituminous macadam binder course, and bituminous concrete surface course.
Conclusion.
As per experiment we conducted, the specific gravity value of aggregate is 2.7 and water absorption value is 1.52%. Hence, according to IRC code, the aggregate sample we taken can be efficiently used for road construction. However, other tests for strength, toughness, hardness must be conducted on this aggregate. Thank you for watching the video.